everyone, it's Jenna and Liam from Telos Culture. We're here for the Telos Texas tour. Today is day one of DCentral here in Austin, Texas, and we're very excited to get into it.
There's lots of stuff going on. The core team's already here. They're mingling with lots of other protocols and projects in the space right now. There's a ton of fun events going on, speakers and stuff like that, so let's get into it.
It's been a great couple days here in Austin, Texas. A lot of the core team arrived yesterday or the day before. We've got Justin, George, Big Gooey, Paul, Jesse, Kirsten, AJ, Sukesh, Uma from Apex, myself and Liam from Telos Culture. Dawn is here. We've got a great lineup representing the Telos community at DCentral, and we've got more people on the way from all over the world coming to Austin, Texas to show the world what Telos is made of.
Guys, what's up? This is Big Gooey. You can see out behind me the Austin city skyline is beautiful as ever. We're here at DCentral. Had a speaking spot this morning, was one of the first on the stage, was great energy.
So Big Gooey is about to come to the stage representing Telos, so please give him a hand.
Howdy gang, how y'all doing? Oh come on, give me a Texas welcome here. Come on, how y'all doing? Giddy up, yeah, right on. I am the NFT curator for the ecosystem, and we are feverishly trying to get out there and show that we are just as competitive as any other network that you can build your NFTs on, as well as we've got 1,000 incentives coming out the door right now.
It's dope to see how big Telos' presence is here. I met a lot of really wonderful people, some really wonderful projects, met a couple celebrities even, so it's been a good day, and you know, we're not even all the way through the first day, so we're here to rock and roll.
It's been really great having Telos here at an event that brings together so many different verticals. I've seen a lot of play-to-earn projects, gamified projects, metaverse, NFT projects, security projects, privacy projects. The list goes on, and I think that Telos is going to play a really major role in all of these different industry verticals. I've seen the core team making connections with all of these different projects and I think forming some valuable partnerships. So I'm really excited to see what comes out of this and looking forward to everything that we have in store tomorrow as well. So yeah, let's get back into it.
Hey guys, Justin Giudici here, CEO of the Telos Foundation. This is the first day at DCentral. We're having lots of fun, we're getting a lot of exposure, a lot of people coming up to us, people finding out about Telos for the first time, which is really fantastic. We met with a lot of NFT projects, a lot of DeFi projects. They're all interested in deploying on Telos, so things are looking really, really good for us.
Hey, it's Paul Walton, the Chief Marketing Officer at Telos, and we're just wrapping up after a great first day at DCentral. We met a whole bunch of people, we had a lot of people come by our stand, and highlight of the day for me Big GUI got on stage for 2 minutes and they weren't even expecting it. So it was a good day.